Okay, I'm making a fire alarm video. No, not the usual one. I got a new device though. Yep. It's a Chevron pole, Faraday F1 GT Chevron pole. I have no idea when this was made. Probably maybe the 80s. I don't know. As you see, it says Faraday Inc. And it's actually a little heavier than I thought it was going to be. I mean, yeah, it's metal. Anyways, so let's pull it. So that's what it looks like when it's pulled down and it's activated. So now we're going to reset it, and this is not exactly the easiest thing to do. So take your Allen wrench, and you put it in, turn it to the left, and you kind of just like open it up like this. It's kind of difficult to do with one hand, but darn it. Yeah, I'm going to need to but yeah, so what you do is you insert your Allen key, turn it to the left, and then I'm trying to open it with a single hand. It's not easy, but there we go. Pops up at open. And that's the switch. And yeah. So there's the sticker. It's kind of fallen off, but yeah, at least it does still say it's an F1 GT. UL listed. And I have no idea why, but this little cover here, which has like the plate, it opens up for some strange reason. I have no idea why. I think this is probably for like install. I have no idea why. If anybody knows, let me know in the comments. Alright, so yeah, except now I gotta open it up again because I just activated it. Sorry if it's already 2 minutes long, but yeah, I'm terrible trying to. Yeah, so yeah, like I said, you insert your Allen wrench, and then you kind of just, you open it up. Yeah, and then just close it. Oops. Yeah, like I said, this is not a very easy pull station to reset. Darn it. I'm trying to close it. Yeah. There we go. There we go. Should be closed now. Yep. So there you have it. There's Faraday F1 GT.